Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today we are going to review the Tonor condenser microphone kit. So let's see what's in the box. Alright friends, so after peeling off this piece of tape, it opens quite easily. You can see that it comes with a pop filter. I'm going to just set that off to the side. Noise suppression, USB cable, user manual, which we'll get to in a minute, the power adapter, on, off, output, input. This will be the part that holds the microphone. This is the microphone by Tonor, the BM700. Long, heavy-duty cable. And this is how we can hold it up. So let's dive into the manual and see how to put it all together. Page 1 is a parts list. Page 2 is where we learn how to attach the desk mount. So our first step is simply to loosen this up so we can attach it to our desk. I've brought it over to my desk, so that should make it a little easier. Let's see how well it fits. Alright, that is pretty self-explanatory, and then tighten it so it's attached. So far so good. Pretty self-explanatory. Next thing we do is put the base in the stand. Alright, that can't be too hard. Just find that little area and slide it in. Next up, we need to install the shock mount. It's got a little threaded end. It's got a nice grip as you tighten it on. Want to make sure I don't cross thread it. And there we go. The shock mount is in place. The base has a little wiggle as I'm getting used to it, so I'm going to tighten the little thread down on the base so it locks that in place better. Now it is time to insert the microphone into the shock mount. I want Tonor facing up. Squeeze these little grips and slide that in just like that. And then I actually flipped it over so that the nut was to the right, and this bends over to a location I'd be more pleased with as a pop filter. At this point, we're going to plug in the phantom power connector, and we're going to do the larger end of the USB. So track this down and plug it in just like you're plugging in a USB printer. Microphone to the amp. Note that this is already in the microphone stand. The other end is where we're going to connect it to the amp. You see, this slides in here. Rocket science to figure out that you got to plug the other one into the other port. It's in right here, and has the nice little mechanism to lock it in place. And this wire, of course, is the one that we plug into the microphone port on our PC to its cable. The USB and the microphone, and now I've got it powered on. Let's see how it works when we record. Hey there friends, so here I am, HLModTech, and you can see I am actually using the microphone, and this is the page where I bought it from. It was $47.99, and you can see it comes with all these parts and takes about 15 minutes to install. So now it's just a matter of seeing what we think of the audio quality. So I have brought that piece of footage into the PC, and I am going to say that I am impressed with the audio quality. I am also going to tell you that it took me 3 tries to get it right. Things I had to adjust were down on the sound. I had to bring up the sound recording choices, and I had to pick the right microphone. I also had to have the microphone plugged into the back of the PC. When I tried to use the one out the side, that was not successful. I got a little bit of hiss. Also in the manual, they talk about moving the little amp away from the device so that you are less likely to get a squeal. I did push it farther away, and right now I gotta say the quality of this microphone is fantastic. Make sure you stay tuned for further tests as I try and run it on my gaming PC as well. See what else we can do with it. See if I can get this rig so it's set up. It's a little different having this up in my eye, but these are the things I'm going to experiment as I work with this sweet condenser microphone. Friends, if you found this movie useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.